Oh, Mom, tell me what's with this owl.
Oh my God! She got a puppy! Oh my God!
We got a puppy!
Oh my God! Is he like housebroken or something? What if he poops on our carpet?
Don't worry. Come.
Can we name it? Hey! Hi, boy!
Come.
Oh, he's scared. Mom,
No.
he's poopy.
Where? No, that's not poo. It's fuzz.
Hi! Oh my gosh, what's your name?
Where'd you get him? Did you win it, Sadie?
Mhm.
No.
Finn.
Finn?
Yeah, get him Finn.
Yeah, name him Finn.
Hey, what's up,
What's his
Finn?
name? Hi, Finn.
Well, pick him up, man. You know where he came from.
He came from the Humane Society?
Oh, we made it. I'm gonna cry.
Oh,
No, he can't go in our room or else he'll choke on things.
We got
Well,
him.
just pet him.
Hi, Cookie. Hi. Aw. Hi. Hi. Oh. Text it, Lori. Sorry, God, puppy. Oh. Get that.
What type of dog is he?
What type of dog?
Don't
Is
have.
he that dog that like chewed on our fingers? Oh my gosh, it's that dog. Was he in that case with the other one that had the scarf and he chewed on our fingers?
Mhm.
Oh my God, Mom, this is actually the dog that